Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad kongkal sangma ulapan pau ke jing Sokya halor ka jing syakta ke samla pulia bat kinong tre ke skul ba NEHU namar ke jing iki ke bela penlong ya ke jing ia ke bakrau hakane ke skul ba. Ulong ba kalong ke besngusi shibun bani ia ke baja hakane ke skul ba namar kene ke kata om tang ya kena pulia ndre bat kinong tre bat bor ki kam ki jam ke skul ba kelas akut lut. Ule tho bule kren bat ki he Sorkar hakikat dan boper kenthop yau menteri ke tenat pulia putih ke Sorkar pedeng manwat kelenti ban penbet no ekane. Conrad kongkal sangma uloong baga skul ba NEHU ke digislem pulia ka bahap apo gejing pet jong ke Sorkar pedeng. Kumta ke Sorkar Jylla kamla bantuklar henrei banlong tangkum ke Nongpyniasuk. Bat kale akene ke bentah beroskata. Uli tho bo menteri ke tenat puli putih ke Sorkar Jylla udang ya keren berkihe jong ke skul ba NEHU ban penbet ya kene ke jing
I have been obviously talking at different levels to the ministry and to the minister himself and others, and even to NEHU. But as you're all aware that NEHU is a body that's directly under the central government, so it's very kind of a touchy issue for us to directly get involved, and we can only play a role of mediation between the two, which is what we've been doing. But even while we mediate, when we give certain recommendations and suggestions, and we say, well, what if we do this? Then we need the support from all sides to then move forward with that recommendation, suggestions. And sometimes, obviously, because of ground situation, those are not possible. And again, complications come up. So this is what we've been seeing in NEHU. So it becomes very complicated and difficult for us, being a central government institute, to directly get involved in this. So we are doing our best. Even as we speak today, I think the education minister is in talks with some of the officials from NEHU, trying to find a solution to this deadlock that we're having. So we are doing our best.